Okay, so I'm back. It looks like the contractors are back today. So let me ask a few questions.
And if anything, I'm maybe to you for it.
So Bill said the house is coming on Monday. Is it still possible?
Tuesday.
I was wondering. It doesn't look like this can be ready.
We'll be here.
So, do you know what time on Tuesday?
It'll be in the morning, but I don't know exactly what time.
Oh, okay. The township didn't give you a time?
No.
Bill was saying that because this is Conshohocken, they might not want you to come in too early because of traffic.
Yeah.
So they didn't tell you.
Yeah, we don't do the delivery myself.
Oh, okay.
There's a different company that does that stuff. But,
okay.
I mean, yeah, I'm not exactly sure what
So
time. But
the exact time. Okay.
yeah, Bill can call them on Monday.
Yeah, he told me he'll call me.
It's the delivery company
when
that
they are
does that
leaving.
because they have to get permits, okay?
He said it's pulled already.
Right.
But
So
he
the
didn't
permit
know.
will tell you exactly when you can travel.
Okay.
That is a thing because when you get into a congested area, since it's oversized load,
Yes.
then they say there's certain times you can and can't. So,
yes.
but I don't know the rules.
Are you going to be here when they deliver?
On Tuesday? Probably not. I will not be.
Okay.
But there'll be a bunch of other guys here.
Oh, okay. So what's remaining now? What's remaining?
More dirt.
Oh, you still have
That's
to
what we're
take
doing
more
now.
dirt
We're
away?
hauling dirt
Okay,
today. Yeah, we've already
okay.
gotten 5 loads out.
Yeah,
which is a lot.
Yeah, I went.
So we have one more sitting here that we're hoping to get rid of. The guy's on his way back.
Okay.
So that's what we're waiting on. We'll get this load out of here.
Okay.
And then we'll be able to prep the rest of this for a pad, and then Monday
Okay.
put the footings in.
Okay,
We'll
so
be back Monday.
you prep it for a pad.
Yep.
Monday you put the footings.
Yep.
Tuesday they deliver the house. Okay.
And I'm pretty sure Wednesday they're supposed to set it up. That's a different crew of guys again yet.
Yeah.
Will come in and they'll set the houses up, put them together, and set them on the foundation, and bolt it all together and set it up.
Okay.
Yep.
Then who does because there's going to be some
Block skirting underneath. Yep, that'll be us.
yes,
That's
and
me.
then also the walkway.
I don't know anything about that. That we have to figure out yet. I don't know about the
Okay,
walkway.
because
I haven't heard anything
there are
about that.
walkways on both sides.
There is concrete sidewalks.
I believe so.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't heard about
Yeah.
that yet.
It's in the plan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll talk to them about that then. Yeah, we'll see.
The house is facing sideways, but we have 2 entrances.
Yeah, there's an entrance on the end, right here.
Yeah, there's one
Yep.
on the end.
So this is a corner of the house right here.
Okay.
That'd be the front corner there.
Okay.
And there's another stake back there.
Okay.
Same thing. That's where the back corner will be, and then it comes over, behind the machine here.
Yeah. So there's the place that was supposed to be the back door. We turned it around so that's the front.
Yep.
Then the front, I think, will be facing here, and then there's a back. But both of them have entrances, so that's why
Correct.
we need a walkway.
That's right. The front door of the house will be facing that
yes.
way, and there'll be one out the back.
Yeah. So
Right.
we want them to be able to walk to the place.
Right. Yep.
So there was a walkway in the design. I don't know how
Right.
they're going to do it. Okay, then what else? Okay. Then at what stage do you connect?
Soon after that.
Soon after?
Yeah, soon after that. We're still working with the township. Hopefully they're going to bring water up the alley for us.
Oh, they do that?
We hope.
I know the township is...
We're praying they will.
Or aqua. Aqua is water.
Yes, correct.
So you think they would
And the sewer. But since this house has a sprinkler system in it.
Yes.
So there's 2 water lines.
Yes.
2 separate. One big, one small.
Yes.
And a sewer line. But there's nothing in the alley. It's all down there where that black car is in the
Yes.
intersection.
Yes.
So they have to dig the intersection up
Okay.
and bring the utilities up the alley. And
Okay.
we're hoping they'll do that. But if not, we have to do it.
Yeah, I'm not sure they'll do it, but...
Right. We're up in the air. You
Yeah.
know, we can't get a final decision out of them. It's Scott.
Yes.
Scott Kennedy.
Yes.
He's in
Yeah.
dealing with them.
Yeah.
That's kind of his to do.
Yeah,
is to
okay.
figure all that out.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that he can.
Yeah. Yeah.
But if they say no, it's
Yeah.
not impossible. I mean,
Yeah.
if they say no, then it is what it is. We'll do it.
Yeah. I remember when I was trying to get the permit, they were saying when we dig, we should just make sure we cover it back up. I said, no problem.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And since this is a paper street,
Yeah.
or paper road,
Paper alley,
yeah, so okay.
yeah.
Then they allow it to walk.
That should be
So, but you're not working tomorrow. So I'll come and look on Monday.
yeah, we'll be back Monday all day. We'll be here first thing. We'll be here all day Monday.
Okay.
A lot to do Monday. A lot. Big day Monday.
I didn't think they could deliver the house on Monday because there's still a lot to do. So, but I'll be here Monday to give you an update. Okay, that's it. More dirt to be carried. They're going to carry more dirt. And you heard him, that's the general contractor. And everything is okay.